Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Temu app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Temu application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken to the home page from which you can directly start browsing for various items. Now, in order to sign in to your existing account, click on the sign in button at the bottom right corner and you will be taken to the sign in page. Now, if you already are a member, you can either enter your email address or your phone number that you have set up and then tap on the continue button. If you created your account using your Google or your Facebook or your Twitter, then you can tap on the respective buttons as well. Once you proceed with your preferred login method, you will simply need to enter your user ID or your email address and your password. If you use continue with Facebook, you will need to log into your Facebook account using your credentials and then tap on the continue as button. And now you will be logged in to your existing account on the Temu app right away. In order to access your account, you can simply tap on the U icon at the bottom center. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Temu app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.